Yes, absolutely. Very, very hard breaking story. This one. The flood was rising very, very fast. Seven peoples were crying for the helps. सैलाब तेज़ी से बढ़ रहा था और 7 लोग मदद के लिए पुकार रहे थे. And the people were standing there with the phones. और वहाँ लोग खड़े हुए हाथों में फ़ोन लिए हुए थे. Yes, they recorded everything but helping no one. सब कुछ रिकॉर्ड कर रहे थे मगर मदद के लिए कोई नहीं आ रहा था. Those screams weren't content. वो चीखें कोई कंटेंट नहीं थी. Yes, there were someone last moments. वो किसी की आखिरी सांसें थी. 7 lives were lost. 7 जानें चली गईं. But dozen of video were saved. मगर दर्जनों वीडियो महफूज रह गईं. Humanity didn't die in the floods. इंसानियत सैलाब में नहीं मरी. It's drawn in silence. वो खामोशी में डूब गए. Yes, thank you very much. Like, share, subscribe. May Allah bless you and your family. You can enjoy rest of the time. Allah Hafiz.